Well, I'm getting an early start today. Leaving Rob and Jules' house. Man, what a gorgeous place they have. Wow, stayed in here in Heber because yesterday was like a blizzard. So there was no sense in trying to travel to Colorado yesterday. And besides that, I got a good ski in at Park City, and then we went to a World Cup event last night, which was way cool. So we'll talk to you soon. So here I am running into Colorado. I'm already 37 miles into Colorado. I'm leaving Grand Junction, heading up into the mountains. That's what I wanted to say. It's pretty cool. I'm at the top of Vail Pass, and it's been harrowing, to be for sure. I know you can't see anything. Of course, I can't see anything either. But, oh, it looks like we're going up even more again. So, maybe we aren't at the top of Vail Pass. But I'd almost rather go up than go down, because going down is going to be crazy, too. Well, I'm heading out, leaving Breck. That was my last ski day. There was probably about 1 million people more than what they should have had, so it's not worth it skiing on a day like that. That's when you get hurt. So I'm heading out to Denver. I'm heading home, man. This might be like the last taping. So see you in a bit. Well, I'm just leaving Robert and Gary's house now. We had a great time last night. Met Charles Dickey for the first time, and he's got a new boyfriend named Brian, and they're obviously a very cute couple. Pretty unbelievable, actually, how cute they are. But anyways, it's snowing out. It's Sunday morning. I'm in Denver, and I'm on the highway. 76, I'm taking 76 up to 80. And just waking up from a great sleep. It only got down to 15 last night, but man, I slept like a baby. Wow. So here I am in Des Moines. Got to put the blankets away and everything from last night. Good old Walmart. Walmart sleeping. I mean, I got it pretty good, you know, the way I'm sleeping. Most of these people are sleeping in their cars. I know. I mean, I have an actual bed. That's the way it is, man. It's a beautiful day out here. Des Moines, Idaho.